This is the end of the first part. Look at this. Looks like part of a snake just coming up the mountain here. Wow. I don't know what to say, but wow. Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today is special. I am excited to go through the Swartberg Pass. It's a national monument. It's a gravel road pass. I've never been over it and I hear it's phenomenal. I think they said it's about 23 kilometers, 28 kilometers in length. So this whole episode is about the Swartberg Pass, and Andrew Bain is the guy, the engineer that constructed this pass. I think it was one of his last passes that he did before he passed away. So it's really special and it's really stuck in South Africa's history. But here where I'm at, I'd like to show you what it looks like. The wind's blowing pretty heavy. We might get some mist in the pass, I don't know. Let's hope we don't. But this is where we are, just outside of Prince Albert at the moment. So let's get going. Really misty, eh? Here we go to the Swartberg Pass.
Long now,
yeah.
There's a few drops.
And it's raining and it's misty. I tried to order the correct weather, but it didn't work with.
That's nature for you. It's still gorgeous.
Yeah.
And it's a dirt road.
Dirt road, serious.
Happy about that.
Yep, very. I had to stop here just to record this. Wow. This is so intimidating. It's a pity it's so cloudy and raining today, telling you.
Now the wind has come up too.
Yeah, the wind has come up too, and I think it comes through this gorge. This is insane. Now I know why people say it's an incredible pass to drive through. Look at this. Every now and then there's a little loop to go. If there's a car coming from the front, you just zip in there.
Small, eh?
Wow.
Mountain water, right? Like a little natural waterfall.
Yeah. Look at the stream. Okay, try this again. Well, what can I say? It's a very slight little drizzle. The wind is gone. I don't know what has happened, but check this out. I just love the silence. This little 1 litre motor is struggling to get up here.
That's even steeper.
Yep,
That's steep.
that is steep, eh?
Through a waterfall. Okay. Only the Karoo.
Dry waterfall translation. Look at the road there, guys. Look at switchbacks.
Well, I suppose it has to, hey?
Yeah.
Otherwise it'll be too steep.
Wow.
Oh, that's interesting.
Okay, I'll drive it from here.
You mean going off the road? So interesting. You'll be able to get a nice view from up top.
Yes. Just going to stop here. If you look at the rock formations, you'll be able to see exactly where we're going to have to go up. I'm going to try and get another view shot from the top, at the top over there. But just look at this. Now we're even higher, right at the top, that point that I showed you. Now, this incredible. I must say, this is pretty wild. It's really living up to its expectations. Crazy. And the little Renault's doing it up here with its front wheel drive and the wet gravel. It's doing it. Now this is the end of the first part. Look at this. Looks like two snakes. Part of a snake just coming up the mountain here. Wow. I don't know what to say, but wow. I have to show you this, even though you're not going to see a thing. This is supposed to be a stunning viewpoint called Tierberg, but I can see absolutely nothing. We're in the clouds. We what a pity. Oh boy, I had to pick today to do this, eh? But it's freezing. Can't believe it. Can't see a thing. Oh well. If you do come to the Swartberg Pass and the sun shining, come to the Tierberg viewpoint.
Visibility is down to almost nothing.
Yep, can't see a thing. Visibility is pretty bad up here. Let's hope when we go down on the other side we can see something. I think this is the top point of the pass. And that board, that signboard, I can't read anything on it. Everybody stuck their stickers on it. (1,583 meters above sea level is the summit. Swartberg Pass.
1888.
Crazy. Here's the end of the gravel road on Swartberg Pass. Okay, so that was the Swartberg Pass. Really a pity that we had to hit it when it was so full of mist and raining and everything, because there were certain places that I just couldn't record anything. And I'm telling you, when we were driving past those edges, the edges were incredible. I could just imagine, it just looked like clouds over there. I can just imagine what it'll look like in sunshine. So we will definitely come around and do this again sometime, for sure. Definitely come and do it. Thanks for joining us on this one. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below and give us a thumbs up. And then I'll see you in the next one.